Spotting another Tango. Marking a Tango. He's close to that local. Marking target. Watch the background. That makes 5. Tango on the roof. Tango on the roof. This is the garage. Sound off if you spot Polito's car.
Roger that.
Sighted.
I heard a Sicario over here.
I don't see him.
Next to that crate of comm gear.
Tango marked, but he's got a civilian nearby. That's 15. I got eyes on a mounted weapon.
Roger that. Moving. Roger that. Target marked. Let me get into position. Ready. Call the shot. Tango is fucking down. We got a mounted weapon.
It's 15 hombres.
Roger. Let me get in position. Target acquired. Let me get a good sight line. Lost visual on the target. Target marked. We got civilians dangerously close.
Watch for civilians.
Check your targets
want to
before
kill
you
somebody
shoot.
by mistake.
Ready to engage. Dropped him. Got a Sicario.
Point him out.
Roger that. Moving. Roger. Target acquired. Tango down.
That whip's got an alarm. Tango marked. He's a little close to civilians.
Roger. Let me get in position. Roger that. Target moving marked. To a good sight line. Lost my target. Got the target. They're gonna spot you. Back up. Lost the target. Eyes on the target. Copy. Target word, boss. I don't have a shot. Lost visual on the target.
There it is. Eyes on Polito's car. This car is swanky. And there's a bloody condom in the glove box. Make that 2 bloody condoms.
I guess that confirms it's Yuri and Polito's ride.
Even if the condoms come standard, it's a sweet fucking car.
I never could understand the narco bling. You get an expensive whip, put chrome rims on it, then you just drive it around the same dusty towns you were driving around before.
Wait. Engaging hostiles. Okay, let's focus on the mission.
I never could understand the narco bling. You get an expensive whip, put chrome rims on it, then you just drive it around the same dusty towns you were driving around before.
You totally want one of these cars, don't you?
Fancy car, fancy suit, still the same street, so what's the point?
Air conditioning. All right, now it's up to Bowman and the Activity. They'll check the car's GPS for locations where Yuri and Polito may be hiding out.